Hi, my name's Hector Garcia, and I just want to send a big shout out and thank you to DryZone. They've fixed my basement. The craftsmanship, the workmanship, it's just excellent. On August the 4th of this year, a remnant of a hurricane was passing through Delmarva. It spawned several tornadoes. Our electric was out for most of the day, which meant the sump pump wasn't working, which meant that my basement flooded. It was a fully furnished, fully carpeted basement with all my furniture, my man cave, a lifetime's worth of my music, over 10,000 jazz CDs, and thousands of books, my two loves in life, books and music. And it's where the grandbabies come over and play. They've got their own shelves with all their stuff. Well, I was trying to think of a permanent fix instead of just replacing the damage with more drywall, because that didn't make any sense. If it floods again, the same thing's going to happen. So researching on the internet, I found DryZone. 3 sumps in one, with a backup in case the electric goes out. That kind of fixed the solution. And I contacted them, and they came out and they fixed everything in 3 days. The detail of the workmanship was just excellent. They thought this out from the beginning. They came out on a Wednesday, the 28th, and they put in the sump pump first, knowing that the next day there was another system coming through with torrential downpours, raining all day, which meant that if we didn't have that installed, I was going to have another flooded basement. So they had the forethought to take care of that. After which, they spent the next 2 days doing the flooring in the wall. And it's just excellent. The smell is gone. It is immaculate, just beautiful. I would recommend this product and this company to anyone who wants to permanently finish, fix, update their basement to where it never leaks again. Thank you.